Alright, man, welcome back. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be an interesting video. I don't know how I got put in this situation, but I'm in this situation, so I'm going to be spending the next few days while I'm in Vegas on a budget of $200. Let's just see where it takes me.
Love-hate relationship. I'll beat your ass, bro.
I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me.
We're gonna go to hockey. Yeah, I think we're gonna
What is that?
Blood? No, man, no.
You ain't active, bro?
No.
You ain't active? Hey, you ever been to jail?
No,
dude,
never.
You ain't active?
How would you ask him that question?
Because I want to know if he's active, bro.
I am. You can sit with me.
My name's Dexter Hall. Here you go.
Alright, let's go. Hey.
I just got done eating her pussy in a fucking limo. Didn't I?
Since city's cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the
Canelo?
Yes, Canelo. ¡Viva México!
Okay. Oh, I appreciate that.
It's a competition here.
Oh, okay. A little something.
Yeah.
I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I hit the road.
Look, y'all, I just made it, man. Let me see what's about to happen. I'm like the last one out the friend group that showed up, but that's how I like to show up fashionably late. Everybody ready to get off the plane. Look at this.
I'm black and I'm proud.
Might have to drop a dime on them niggas.
For sure.
You know what I'm saying?
Gotta stop.
I don't like that shit.
For sure, bro.
Damn. Yeah, man. Coming straight off the plane, man. Yeah. My man. Oh, this is beautiful, man. I'm ready.
For you.
Huh?
How's the trip been for you?
Oh, man, it's been good, man.
Good to hear, man.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, man, this is nice, man.
Alright. I'm gonna write you a ticket real quick, boss. And then follow up your back to the room. Is that okay?
All right.
What's your last name?
Franklin. Yeah. It's definitely gonna be a tough battle for him.
I hope Crawford upsets him though, for sure. He's the underdog.
Oh yeah. So we'll just see.
Right.
Yeah, I'm out here in the front. Look, y'all.
Rolling overdrive, baby.
Oh yeah, they about to go crazy, man. Trying to get my foot settled in right now.
I can see clearly when you're gone.
Y'all look, man. Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful day. Look at this shit, man. Yo, this shit fire though. Look at this. Door shut. Hold on. Damn. Yeah, y'all, I probably outdone myself this time, man. You was spared. Okay, then. Yeah, I outdid myself, man. Yeah. I'll step out, man. Feel me? Hey, So y'all, this is the first stop, man. This is the first stop. I'm about to try to get a drink in my system to try to loosen up. You know what I'm saying? I'm debating when I want to take my hair out. You know what I mean?
You ain't never getting what's the code?
I don't know. Hold it.
I'm uploading on my shit. What's the code?
Alright. What? Ready?
I'm taking your phone. I'm taking it.
Alright. You gonna upload it?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Yo, first night in Vegas, and they done popped this nigga. They done popped this nigga pockets. Shh. Y'all niggas look right when I walk in here. Turn on all the lights, man. What you in the dark?
Huh?
Turn on the lights.
Hit it. Somebody here?
Nah. What happened?
I got a fucking headache.
You got a headache?
Hell yeah. I'm about to bag something, nigga.
What happened down there?
Pop me for a minute.
For real? I think we came to the wrong spot. Alright, man, so who I'm here with?
Sage Gear, SAGEGEARR.
Out of Terrence Crawford and Canelo, who do you got in the fight?
Hey, I got Bud Crawford, man. I don't know. Canelo, don't get me wrong, he a top dog right now, but I feel like lately he just been losing it. He losing that hunger. You know, his last fight, he was doing his thing, but it wasn't the best. So I don't know. I feel like Bud got it, but that's me.
Okay. All right, and out of Mayweather and Mike Tyson fighting again, what do you think about that fight?
Hey, I don't know. I'm from the East Coast. I stick with the East Coast. I think Mike Tyson like that. You know, I think he a dog. He older, but he a dog. I don't know, man. It's a hard call for real.
After his last performance with Jake Paul, do you think he could stand in the ring with Mayweather?
Not at his age right now, nah. I think he did it for the money, but younger Mike Tyson, fuck yeah.
Okay. And out of Gervonta Davis and Jake Paul, who do you got in that fight? It's coming up in November.
Hey, Gervonta, he from the trenches, man. I don't know. Gervonta, he the top dog right now. I got Gervonta. Even though there's a big weight difference, Gervonta that guy, bro. I don't know. I got Tank. Tank my guy, man.
Hey, man, it's just like that, man. Y'all seen it here first, man. Y'all get out my boy, man. We out of here. Kevin.
Try to take this damn shit out, boy. Try to show y'all the... Damn. I ain't never been this curly. Hold on.
Living lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 I wanna be with you.
Oh, man. This shit finna put a nigga up. I ain't really show y'all like the front of the damn hotel shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't really... Huh? Nah. I got it.
Yo, this shit crazy.
Yeah, everybody pulling up. Okay.
I might go take a shower real quick. I got some soap for it.
Hey, we about to hit that beach party.
I'm about to go take a shower. Come on.
No, I'm talking about that shit at 12. Got some time, but that shit about 12.
Hey, you don't worry about all that. Come on.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to grab something. You playing, man? Yeah, I got the room key. Yeah. What you changing to something else? You changing to something else?
I can change a little later, but not right now.
Yeah.
Tonight?
Yep. Yeah. I'm ski. Oh. How you doing? I love this outfit on you.
Yeah, this shit about to do it. Yeah, that's how I'm about to get him.
Man, y'all just come with me real quick, man. And I'm streaming on YouTube, so I think I'm streaming at like around 3, so y'all just tap in for that. See how this shit go.
See how it goes.
You ain't hit the floor. You gotta hit the floor.
I'm still drunk. My bad.
I'm like, damn, we stuck. Going for anything now? Damn, this is active, bro. This is beautiful, guys. How long your shift is? No. Man, I gotta go out, man. Like, you heard about daylight?
Daylight is not that great. This is better than daylight.
Oh, for real? Way better than daylight?
Much better than daylight. Yeah.
Okay.
So you guys should find out because it's not Dom Dallas, so I think you guys should be fine to go.
Yeah.
It would be. You guys would have a great time. Honestly.
Right now it's early though.
Yeah, don't go now. Yeah, they don't even. The doors aren't open yet. The doors open.
All right. So when you say it's better than daylight, what are we talking? See, I'm a ladies guy. You know what I mean?
Right.
And then I'm kind of like I'm camera.
Right.
Like, I gotta be vlogging and everything. Oh, these are good.
Yeah, they're good, right?
Yeah.
Oh
my God.
And he scares the little birds away.
Huh?
He scares the little annoying birds away.
Oh wow. Yeah. Do he fly around or you guys let people hold him?
He can't hold them, sorry.
Yeah.
We need a special permit for that.
Okay.
Yeah, he does fly around. He can take it all day.
Okay. Well, I guess I'll see him around.
Yeah, take care.
Yeah. Hello. How you doing? I like your hair. It looks real nice. Appreciate you. This is nice out here. So actually, I'm about to pause it for real quick, and I'm about to step out to like. It's crazy because I've been on a budget, y'all. So I'm about to try to step out to the press conference, and this is just me just randomly getting into stuff. Like I really didn't kick that much money out, but I'm well connected. You feel me? So we're just gonna see where this goes and where this takes me. Thursday was a little slow. I just flew in here late, but then Friday is gonna be like. Hopefully it pick up. You know. Hopefully it pick up. So we're just gonna see where it go out from there. I know the lobby is really getting packed here. This is a beautiful hotel. Waiting?
I just here, so just the one ring for you.
So what's the other one? One on her tab?
Yeah, I got it. Don't worry about it.
Sure. Alright. Hey, make sure you remember that, man. Hey, cause I might be sitting chicks drinks all night and don't let them finesse you.
Oh, no. I'm not gonna feel like the whole thing.
Yeah. Don't listen to them cause I'm gonna be right here. I ain't going nowhere. You know what I mean? Don't let them bitches try to scandal you out of this shit. I'm sitting here thinking about that shit the whole time.
Yo, that's why I was looking.
Yes, sir.
I said, yo, $75, bro.
I'm sitting here thinking, no, it was $45. I'm sitting here thinking about that shit the whole time. Like, yo, I know this bitch. I'm like, how the fuck did all this? I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Bitch, I could have gave you 300. We go stand the fuck. That's all I kept saying to myself. I'm like, shit. What the fuck? I said, yo, I'm telling her, I'm like, yo, listen, I ain't playing these games. my whole energy was changing.
Hey, she done got up out of here.
Hey.
She done got up out of here. I watched her walk away. I said, oh, what happened?
I ain't need no number. nothing.
No, don't do.
No, I got a number.
Yeah, you go, brother.
Nah, I'm working on it right now. I'm working. Hey, listen, man, I'm working right now. I was working the whole time. I'm working right now, man. I'm telling you, man. Hey, listen, I thought I was going to have to pull my hair up.
Trying to get to this little weigh-in.
There we go. We're waiting.
It's at 5 o'clock today at the T-Mobile Arena. So, I think I'm gonna head up there. Everybody's talking about going. Sit on the other side. I think. Or you can come on this. Oh, he sit right there.
He sit right here.
Comenzamos.
Sí.
We made it, man. I'm over here with this pretty lady.
Ooh. Yes, I know.
We're in a nice Uber. Hey, Uber driver.
Where you from?
I'm from New York, but I live in Atlanta, so. Yeah, man. First time in Vegas.
From Peru.
Oh,
Peru?
bien.
Oh.
Yo soy mexicana.
How long you been out here?
3 years.
Okay, you liking it? Yeah.
Pero has de extrañar la comida de Perú. Oh, no, nada. Es muy buena la comida en Perú.
En New York tengo muchos friends peruvians.
Okay.
You gotta.
I like to fight back.
Yeah, you gotta give that up.
Here only your brother and you? Or
Yeah.
Brother?
Well, he has friends coming in.
Yeah, his friends coming to the
Oh
country.
yeah.
Yeah.
But esta noches, me, no, that's it.
No, esta noche, no, tomorrow.
No?
Tomorrow.
No good.
Do you remember the night I have one ticket for
Salsa.
No, banda.
Yeah.
Banda.
Después.
I don't know.
Oh, watch. She's funny.
Yeah, all times.
Man, it's packed over here too. Wow.
What's up for this?
Yeah, it's a lot of people. Look at that.
Look at that. Look. Kids, father, or husband. Look. Kids, father, husband. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What are you gonna talk to that?
Oh, so we left here for us to be here with couples?
Couples. It's crazy.